Bhutakalah. Bhutakala. So we entered the Bhutakala aspect. So we'll do a little few more. So it's 10, 9. So we'll do for another few more minutes. Adya Bhanuvasarah asti. Hyaha Shanivasarah asit. Adya Bhanuvasarah asti. Shvaha Somavasarah bhavishyati. Adya Bhanuvasarah asti. Hyaha Shanivasarah asit. Asit Bhutakala. Prathama Purusha Ekavachanam. Then the question is, what about other forms for Bhutakala, for Asdhatu? Can we learn? Yes. Here is the answer. Asdhatoho Rupani. Vartamana Kale Asti Staha Santi. Bhutakale. See, Vartamana Kala is called Lat Lakara. Why? Because the pratyaya you add there is the Lat. So it's a technical term. But it is Vartamana Kala. Bhutakala, you add Lang Pratyaya. So this is called Lang Lakara. Don't worry about, the word. It is just, a technical Paribhashika Padam. So Asit, Ekavachanam, Astam Dvivachanam, Bahuvachanam Asan. In Vartamana Kala, Asi, Tvam Asi. Tvam Yuvakaha Asi. You are a young man. Yuvam, Yuvakau, Sthaha. Stha is Vartamana Kala. Bhutakala Asihi. Tvam, Purvam, Balakaha Asihi. What is the meaning? You were a boy in the past. Asihi. Tvam Purvam Balika Asihi. As male or a female, Tvam is the same, Kartrupadam. So Tvam Asihi. Yuvam Astam. Yuyam Asta. Vartamana Kala Aham Yuvakaha Asmi. Avam Yuvakau Swaha. Vayam Yuvakaha Smaha. This is all present tense, Vartamana Kala. In Bhutakala is Asam, Asva, Asma. Aham Purvam, Aham Idani, Yuvakaha Asmi. Purvam Aham Balakaha Asam. Idanim Vayam Yuvakaha Smaha. Purvam Vayam Balakaha Asma. Right? Don't worry. These forms. Oh, too many forms. That's too close. So what? With practice, you'll memorize. So don't be worried about them. These are the forms with practice. So, during the Ajnatavasa, all of you know Mahabharatam, right? During Ajnatavasa, Pandavas were hiding in Virata Rajasya Tatra Rajye, hiding with different names. So Arjunaha asti, Yeshaha Arjunaha asti, Ajnatavase Yeshaha Bruhannala asit. He was hiding as a lady with name Bruhannala. Yesha Draupadi asti. Ajnatavase Yesha Sairandhri asit. Asti asit. Yudhishthiraha Ajnatavase Kankaha asit. Bhimaha Ajnatavase Vallavaha asit. Nakulaha Ajnatavase Granthikaha asit. Sahadevaha Tantipalaha asit. Okay. Now, let us take a few sentences. Let us do Aham Pibami. Aham Pibami. Aham Idanim Pibami. Aham ह्यः पीतवान्, अहम् इदानीं श्लोकं पठामि, कर्मण्येवाधिकारस्ते, अहं श्लोकं पठामि, इदानीम् अहं ह्यः श्लोकं पठितवान्, पठितवान्. So if I say aham hyaha shlokam patitavan, it means I read the shloka yesterday. Idanim aham shlokam pathami, I read this shloka now. Pathami, patitavan. Sundaraha idanim samskrutam vadati. Sundaraha पूर्वम और ह्यः संस्कृतम उक्तवान्, उक्तवान्, पठति, पठितवान्. See here, the patitavan is like a namapada. Actually, it indicates kriya, but it is actually a namapada, subantam. It is not tingantam. So, aham ह्यः संस्कृतं पठितवान्, ह्यः अहं श्लोकं पठितवान्, मिलिन्दः ह्यः श्लोकं पठितवान्, स्नेहलः ह्यः श्लोकं पठितवान्, अहं ह्यः श्लोकं पठितवान्, त्वं ह्यः श्लोकं पठितवान्. In all the Purushas, it's all paditavan, paditavan, paditavan for Pullinga. Strilinga, Ujjvala ह्यः श्लोकं पठितवती, वाणी ह्यः श्लोकं पठितवती, राधा ह्यः श्लोकं पठितवती, पठितवती, पठितवान्, लिंगभेदः. So what we are doing is we are using a subanta to indicate past tense. That's why this difference. So it will be clear. But gacchati, pathati is lang lakara, right? Gacchati, pathati. Ujjvala shlokam pathati. Idanim. Idanim Radha shlokam pathati. Chakrapanihi idanim shlokam pathati. Pathati is same for all this. Why? Because pathati is a verb, pure verb, kriya padam, tingantam. For tingantam there is no linga bheda, only purusha. Right? For subantam, like Ramaha, Rama, Ramaha, there is a linga bheda. Punlinga, Strilinga, like that. Right? So, Punah vadami, Raghuhu idanim shlokam pathati. Raghuhu hyaha shlokam patitavan. Ujjvala idanim shlokam pathati. Ujjvala hyaha shlokam patitavati. Yep. Chakrapanihi idanim shlokam pathati. ह्यः चक्रपाणिः श्लोकं पठितवान्, लिखितवान्. So these are all the forms. They are called tavatu forms. Why they are called tavatu? How did we get the form patitavan? Same dhatu is patadhatu. You add tavatu pratyaya. It becomes patitavat, pratipadikam. And to the pratipadikam, just like Rama Shabda, you add pratipadika, so you get 21 forms, right? Similarly, to the pratipadika patitavat, you add the 21 vibhaktis, you get 21 forms. Patitavan, patitavantau, patitavantaha. And at this level, we'll just learn the Prathama Vibhakti forms of patitavat. Patitavan, patitavantau, patitavantaha. Vayam idanim shlokam pathamaha. Hyaha or gatavarge. Gatavarge vayam shlokam patitavantaha. Vantaha is bahuvachana. Patitavan ekavachana. If it is Strilinge, if it is only ladies who are saying this, then they will say Vayam idanim shlokam pathamaha. Hyaha vayam shlokam patitavatyah. Strilinge patitavati. And Patitavati is like Nadi Shabda. Nadi, Nadyau, Nadyah, Patitavati, Patitavatyau, Patitavatyah. Balikaha idanim shlokam pathanti. The girls are now reading, chanting shloka. Balikaha yaha shlokam patita vatyah. Nadi, Nadyah, Patitavati, Patitavatyah. Spashta? Now, let us see some sentences from the book. Yudhishthiraha nagaram gacchati. Yudhishthiraha nagaram gatavan. You can add idanim and hyaha to make it even clearer. Yudhishthiraha idanim nagaram gacchati. Yudhishthira is going to the city now. Goes to the city now. Yudhishthiraha hyaha nagaram gatavan. Yudhishthira went to the city yesterday. Oh, some of you logical people must be thinking, how can Yudhishthira go now? And yesterday he is no more. Okay. Can't there be a person named Yudhishthira today? Don't we have the Arjun, right? Yeah, today there is a person who is called, whose name is Yudhishthira. Okay. So Yudhishthira nagaram gacchati. This one is going to the city. Yudhishthira hyaha nagaram gatavan. Duryodhanaha api nagaram gacchati. Duryodhanaha api nagaram gatavan. Tau sarvan nagarajanan pashyataha. Saha taute dvivachanam. Pashyati, pashyataha, pashyanti. Tau, those two. Sarvan nagarajanan pashyataha. Those two saw all the citizens. Tau sarvan nagarajanan društavantau. Društavan. Aham hyaha chalanachitram društavan. Adya aham chalanachitram pashyami. Drushtavan, Pashyavanna, Drushtavan. Why? Because Dhatu is Drush Dhatu. So don't worry about why, just remember Drushtavan. Hyaha aham chalanachitram drushtavan. Hyaha vayam chalanachitram drushtavantaha. Bhavati hyaha chalanachitram društavati. Bhavatyaha chalanachitram društavatyaha. Like that. Now, here we have the next immediate question. Oh, how do I get all the forms? It's given here. Pathati is the Vartamana Kala. Bhutakala Rupani. Pathitavan. Pullinge. Pathitavantau. Pathitavantaha. Sarve vadantu. Pathitavan. Pathitavantau. Pathitavantaha. Ichhati. Ichhati. You know the meaning of ichhati, right? You like. Aham samskrutam ichhami. Meaning of past tense, bhutakala, ishtavan, ishtavantau, ishtavantaha. Aham idanim samskrutam ichhami. Purvam aham samskrutam ishtavan. In the past also I liked samskrutam. Ishtavan, vayam, bahuvachanam, vayam samskrutam ishtavantaha. Karoti krutavan. What is the dvivachanam, bahuvachanam? Pathitavan, patitavantau, patitavantaha. Krutavan? Vantau, krutavantaha. Gayati. Singing. Gayati. Idanim. Kavita Geetam Gayati. Now, Kavita reads, sings a song. Hyaha Kavita Geetam
Gaitavati.
Geetavati. But anyway, here it's Pullinga. So I should take a Pullinga example. So Chakrapanihi idanim Geetam Gayati. Chakrapani is singing a song now. Sings a song. Hyaha Chakrapanihi Geetam Geetavan. Geetavan. How do you know Geetavan? See here, Geetavantaha. One form is given to make it easy for you. Geetavantaha. You have to look at the form. Geetavantaha. So it has to be Geetavan, Geetavantau. Dharati. Dharati means to wear or to support. Right? Dharati. Dhrutavan. Dhrutavantau. Dhrutavantah. Bhajati. Bhajati. Bhaktavantaha is Pullinga Bahuvachanam. So Ekavachanam will be Bhaktavan, Bhaktavantau. Kridati. Kriditavan, Kriditavantau, Kriditavantaha. So like that you have to fill them out. Then Ikaranta Strilinga. Strilinga Ikaranta is like Nadi Shabda. Pibati. Pibati. Vani idani phalarasam pibati. Vani hyaha phalarasam pītavati. Pītavatyau pītavatyah. Nadi nadyau nadyah. Krutavati krutavatyau krutavatyah. Vadati. Vadati. Not to speak, to say. Uditavati uditavatyau uditavatyah. Sangita idani samskrutam vadati. Purvam hyaha Sangita Shlokam Samskrutam Uditavati. Balikaha Hyaha Shlokam Uditavatyah. Uditavati Uditavatyau Uditavatyah. Pashyati. See. Vartamanakala Pashyati. Bhutakala Arthe. How do you know? Look at the form which is given. Dvivachanam Drushtavatyau. Drushtavati Drushtavatyau Drushtavatyah. Gacchati Gatavati Gatavatyau Gatavatyah. Balika idanim devalayam gacchati. Balika hyaha devalayam gatavati. Balike hyaha devalayam gatavatyau. Balikaha hyaha devalayam gatavatyah. The girls went to temple yesterday. So like that. Now, next exercise. Hyaha bhavan bhavati kim kim krutavan krutavati iti panchavakyani likata. What have you done yesterday? You write 5 sentences. Aham hyaha ekam samskruta geetam likhitavan. You can say aham hyaha ekam phalam khaditavan. Or if you are a lady, you say Likhit Khaditavati. So you pick the Kriya Padam, then you form your own sentences. Aham ekam shlokam vadami. Now, right? If you have to say hyaha aham ekam shlokam, what is the for vadami vadati? Uktavan. Right? So if you don't remember the form, you can come here and pick that. And vadati, you can say either uditavan or uktavan. Let us see which part is given here. Vadati, I think. Vadati, uditavati. Strilinga is uditavati. Pullinga will be udita.
Van.
Van, uditavan, uditavantau, uditavantah. So choose the Kriya Padam. Then I suggest use the Karma Padam also. Just don't say aham hyaha pitavan. So what now you know how to use Karma Padam, Ditya Bhakti. Aham hyaha phalarasam pitavan. Aham hyaha phalam khaditavan. Like that. So what you did yesterday, you form the center. And Riktasthanani Porayata Gam Dhatuhu Gatavan. Aham Ashramam Gatavan. I went to the ashramam yesterday. Or when you say hyaha, you add that, so it makes more stress. Tvam Tatra Kada Gatavan. When did you go there? Gam Gatavan. So what you have to do is Dhatu is given. You have to put the appropriate Bhutakala form. Vayam ekasya vruddhasya jivana katham vayam bahuvachanam shru dhatuhu. So for this actually you it is expected you know the dhatu knowledge. So that is a little maybe may have some difficulty. So I'm telling you right now, so you make note. So gam dhatu is like gachati. Shru dhatu shrunoti, it will be shrutavan, shrutavantaha. Pat dhatu vartamana kala pathati. भूतकालार्थे पठितवान्, पठितवती. प्राप्नोति वर्तमाने, प्राप्तवान्, प्राप्तवती. आनयति वर्तमाने, आनीतवान्, आनीतवती. एवं प्राप्नः से प्राप्तवान्, प्राप्तवती. ददाति वर्तमाने, भूतकालार्थे दत्तवान्, दत्तवती. आगच्छति, भूतकाले आगतवान्, आगतवती. आगतवान्, आगतवन्तः, आगतवती, आगतवत्यः. शृणोति, श्रुतवान्, श्रुतवन्तः, श्रुतवती, श्रुतवत्यः. एवं स्थितवान्, स्थितवती. कृतवान्, कृतवती. आचरति, आचरितवान्, आचरितवन्तः, आचरितवती, आचरितवत्यः. एवं, right? So युध्यते, युद्धवान्, युद्धवान्, युद्धवती. युद्ध, कुरुक्षेत्रे कौरव पांडवाः युद्धवन्तः. How do you get युद्धवान्, युद्धवन्तः? It is there, right? युध्यते, युद्धवान्, युद्धवन्तौ, युद्धवन्तः. So okay, 5. I think we'll stop here. So the homework for adya hyaha shvaha, what is given? Then patitavan, patitavati, like that. Just to quickly summarize what have we learned. Hyaha shanivasaraha, adya bhanuvasaraha, shvaha somavasaraha, parashvaha mangalavasaraha, praparashvaha budhavasaraha. We learned that. Idanim aham yuvakah asmi, purvam aham balakah asam. Then we learned the bhutakala forms. Balika idanim shlokam pathati. Balika hyaha shlokam patitavati. Balikaha idanim geetam gayanti. Balikaha purvam geetam Geetavatyah. Geetavati, Geetavatyah. How did I get the Geetavatyah? Where did this come from? Go and look up the table, right? For all the exercises, you will use only the forms which are already given in the book, right? And pay attention that the tendency will be directly take from the Vartamana Kala Rupam and add Vati Van. No. Say Gayati is not Gayavan. No. Geetavan, Geetavati. How do I know? Look up in the table. Don't assume. Say Pashyati. Drushtavan. Drushta. It's not Pashyavan. How do I know that? It's there in the table. So it's all there. So don't assume. My only caution is don't make your own forms looking at the Vartamanakal. No. Don't use your imagination. Don't create your words. Go to the table, look up, and then use that appropriate form. That's all we learned today. But we learned a lot. Okay, I'll stop here. Questions? Questions on anything? Whether it is adya, hyaha, shvaha, or idanim, or asti, asit, or patitavan, patitavati, bhutakala artha. Any questions? 2 minutes. Tired? No questions. Wow. No questions at all, really? You understood everything which was said today? Easy, right? It's really very straightforward.